Hip Spica Cast. Introduction. To keep the hip in the right position as it heals after surgery, healthcare providers use a lower body cast called a Hip Spica Cast. Select true or false. Correct. A hip spica cast can also be used to treat a broken femur bone or to treat hip problems caused by cerebral palsy or Perthes disease. To keep children in a hip spica cast safe during car rides, they may need a special car seat or harness. Select true or false. Correct. The right seat or harness depends on your child's age, weight, and type of cast. Should you lift your child using the crossbar on the cast? Select yes or no. Correct. Do not use the crossbar to lift or turn your child because it may break. Your healthcare team will show you how to safely lift your child. Can your child only use a diaper while in a spica cast? Select yes or no. Correct. You must use incontinence pads over the open area of the cast to absorb urine. Gently tuck the edges of the pad into the front, back, and sides of the cast. Then place a regular diaper on top of the cast. To prevent skin infections and breakdown of the cast material, keep the cast and your child's skin dry. Select true or false. Correct. If the cast gets wet, use a hairdryer on the cool setting to dry it. You should call your child's healthcare provider if choose one of the following options. 1. Your child has cold, blue, or tingling toes. 2. You notice a strong, foul odor coming from the cast. 3. All of the above. Correct. You should also call your child's healthcare provider right away if your child has trouble breathing. Thank you for using Explain.